So welcome back to my channel, guys. So we have two white friends pictures for today. Angel 7 vlog. Yan, si Angel 7. Okay. Tapos yung isa si Hanify vlog. Vlogs. Hanify vlogs. Yan. So unahin natin si Hanify. Mag-play tayo kay Hanify vlog isa. Ito si Lipad Darna. Lipad Darna. Yan. Si Ma'am Angel, mamaya na. Middle of the video na lang ka, ma'am. At saka pag okay. Mayroon din tayong na-play dito si Shamsai channel. It's a gaming channel. Shout out. Okay. So start of my vlog. Shout out ko muna yung mga yung mga member. Okay. Shout out to Ma'am Shen, tika ha. Ito palang ginakanan ngayon, guys, Okoy. Shout out to Ma'am Shen, Piano Salon. He's doing the piano man of Billy Joel. Yan, piano man. Shout out din natin si Living After 50s. Yan. Kasi Ma'am Fatima. Yan. Saka yan si Ma'am Hanify. Yan. Maganda talaga na sa big screen or kaysa laptop, maliit yung laptop. So, mas maganda yung nasa TV. Si Ma'am Hanify. Sa Kwanse, guys, sa Hong Kong. So, don't forget to subscribe, Hanify, and then Ma'am Shen. Don't forget to subscribe also. Living After 50, si Fatima, at saka si Kuan. Si Pink 96 pala to. Pink 96, yan. Don't forget also to subscribe their channel, and kulang din ni Pink 96 is What's R, then si Ma'am Fatima. Okay. Saka don't forget to play and subscribe Ma'am Shen, Piano Salon. So let's go to my Kuan member. Okay. First on the list, si Ma'am Fatima, kayo na, tapos na yan. Ito na naman. So, araw-araw, every vlog, nandito si Drone from Life. Member, he's my member, guys. Okay. YouTube member. Shout out ka lang, every opening of my vlog, nandito siya. Kasi pinipili natin yan sa member, pinipili, share. Hanggang maluya ako. Charot lang ha. Wala dito si 1999 Fish 199 lang hanapin kita. Wala. So anyways, ma'am, nandun na. So while watching ma'am Hanify vlog, it's it naman. Yan. La. So nakapost siya. So kain na tayo. Maya konti din. Ito yung sarap na kuan. Okay. Kinakat ko yan. Para ditso lang isang finger bites. Bite size. Let's eat na. Harap. Meron siyang kuan, ads. May konti. Ito pala si... Ito na. Nakita ko na siya. Yung semi-member natin. Yan, si Fish 1999. Don't forget to subscribe also Fish 1999 and play his videos. Tapos, so, play ko siya. Fish 109, I'm playing your video now. And then, yan. So, let's watch the next video. Just promised a while ago. Kasi 6 minutes na. So, siya na naman. Si Ma'am Angel Heaven. Ito talaga siya, papunta talaga to sa langit. Kasi yung pangalan pa lang, Angel at saka sa Heaven. Shout out, ma'am. Nasa fans pa yata sa Hong Kong din siguro to. Hindi ko rin alam sa Hong Kong or sa somewhere in Asia pa rin. Nakapost talaga ang video niya. Okay. Right now, we'll play video of Soul Food Queen yan. Soul Food Queen. Shout out. Yan si Soul Food Queen. So right now we're watching the video of Heaven and Angel, but unfortunately nakapost yata. Mahina talaga yung malakas yung internet namin sa cellphone, but sa laptop mahina siya talaga. Anyway, yan. That's Angel Heaven vlogs. I don't know kung saan sa Asian na sa parang sa Chinese yata at China or some mamaya lang. So shout out, ma'am. So kumain na siya, kainin tayo. Kainan to. Shout out. Okay, let's eat, guys. I'm playing this one. Soul Queen, and then Ma'am Shin. Tapos na. This one is I'm playing Fish 199. Okay. Ayan, si Fish 199. Okay. Kain na to. Kain. Okay. Ito din sa Ma'am Shin. Let's play one of his video na naman. Hindi ko mabasa. It's Korean. Okay. Anyway. Playing Ma'am Shin and Heaven Angel? Heavenly Angel. Angel Heaven pala. So, magko-comment tayo kay Ma'am Shin while watching Ma'am Heaven. Awesome. Yan. Magaling to. Kamali ata. So, yan. Ma'am Shin and Angel and Fish 199 and sa Hilda. So, Fatima, Ma'am Fatima, I'm playing your video right now. Okay, next na naman tayong vlog.